general, just about, you can count on them to be just about in any woodland, forest, or whatever. I don't know exactly how I heard it, but it's very common.
Is that one?
Yep.
Yeah. But not only are they here, they're conspicuous because they're very loud and they have a very distinctive sound.
Yeah.
And they sing all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On a hot summer day, those probably much brighter.
Oh, oops. Did
Oh,
you
you
get?
He's flicking his wings and tails, he's drying off.
I just moved to the left slightly, now he's open. A little more open.
that? Hear it?
Yeah.
That's another call of the warbling vireo.
Huh. Well, maybe we'll respond and come back up. But it's like, is it the right thing to do to educate them with their own song and their nesting territory? But it's probably okay.
But to do this a tool, but not excessively. So we'll give it a try and see if it just see if the Louisiana wants to come up. If he can hear us. This is the bird we're looking for. Just down low, eye level.
Above eye level.
He's just taking a bath and he's fluttering.
Yeah, he's behind the vine.
Let's come up this way, down the vine.
There's a hole here.
Brown bird about middle of the little tangle that
He's flicking his wings and tails, he's drying off.
I just moved to the left slightly, now he's open. A little more open.
Everyone got a
Everybody on him?
I'm gonna play it towards.
Those are Canadides. I wonder why they're there. They're usually around water. What is getting their attention over here?
Yeah, this one.
Oh, there's the water.
Right in front of me was an American bittern.
Oh.
3 different places that we went, I saw Virginia rail. So I saw it so close, and even though they're secretive, we're so close to the marsh.
Yeah.
I saw on 3 different occasions there. I said, first time I didn't know what it was. The second time I said, Virginia rail. Third time I said, holy cow, another Virginia rail.
Oh.
Just another Virginia.